Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I have been up for a while, dropped Charlotte to school, got back home, made breakfast, checked some email, answered some messages, here chatting with my friend on the phone. I just tell her that Kenny, I gotta go, because if I don't go, I won't get nothing. Then I'll just chat to her all day on the phone. Good conversation. So I have a bunch of stuff that I want to get done this morning. I have work today. Baby's also off to work. I have work today, so I need to get some stuff done before I head out. And I have some deliveries coming in today for baby girl. But speaking of delivery, a delivery came yesterday that I didn't vlog when it came, but I vlogged when we were setting it up for baby girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the process of babe and I setting it up last night, because I filmed us setting it up, and I'm gonna take you guys in the room and show you it right now. Because I don't remember if I had shown you the finished look last night, but if I didn't, then you guys will see it right now. And I'm so excited because I didn't have this with Tyler, but I made sure I get it this time, because babe wasn't happy after Tyler was in our bed for a long while after he was born. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. But before I go ahead and show you that clip, make sure you guys have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Enjoy doing what you have to do. Stay positive about life. Stay smiling, like my husband always said. Smiling is good, laughter is good. And baby girl is here. You guys here? Wait, let me show you. There she is. And we're feeling good. We're full of energy today. My energy always go down in the evening part, and that's when my back hurt me the most. My back hurt me the most also when I'm on my feet a lot. So I find that the more I lay down, the better it is for me. But this morning, after resting last night, I woke up this morning and the back pain wasn't so bad. So thank God for that. On that note, stay blessed, stay love you guys. You guys, can you guess what's in the making right now? This package arrived today. I'm just showing you bits and pieces. I'm so excited. I can't wait for our next day. Babe have to fill it up tonight.
The pieces.
The pieces?
Yeah, all the pieces should be there. I know I'm good to make the fan go with it.
So can you guys guess what this item is? Pause and comment down below. I love when you guys interact with me down below in the comment section. It's for baby girl, of course. So I didn't have this with Tyler, but I insisted that I wanted it this time, so of course we went and get it. So baby's gonna feed it up. Well, I'm gonna try to help him, but let's see how it will turn out. If you guys guess bassinet, then you're right. Yes, this one is gonna go right beside mama, right beside her bed. because I remember how Babe complained when Tyler was a baby that I want my wife back. Tyler is in the middle of the bed between us, and he wasn't happy. So I decided that okay, it's time to get a bassinet this time
will you
around.
say that? Huh?
Alright. I want to say you don't pick up the bassinet and let me put baby girl in the middle of the bed. And see, you give me the same reaction you gave me with Ty.
And I put myself in the bassinet?
he said he put himself in the bassinet. Anyway guys, time for bassinet to fit up right now. I leave Babe for how much? 20 minutes and come back and he's almost finished. I thought you said the instructions were complicated. You did a good job. You didn't even need me. Hmm? That's how it looks right now. It comes with a protective thing around the side. It comes with a mattress, this one, and it comes with a mattress sheet, which gonna go right in there. It also comes with a little baby pillow, a pillowcase. And I think it's the cutest. It comes with everything. So I'm excited. It even comes with a blanket, you guys. But the blanket says
Honeybee or something?
Honeybee. Oh, I think that's a brand. We got a few things from the same brand, I think. Look at the blanket. So cute. Alright. And the blanket goes in. And ta-da! All done. All done. Rock up my baby. Look at Babe. If you rock her so hard, how did she gonna fall out? Baby bassinet is ready. Pretty. I love it. And she'll go right beside my bed. Isn't that cute? I think it's the cutest. Ta-da! So it is gonna go right there beside our bed on my side, and she'll be right beside me where it belongs. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited about it. Anyway, you guys, that's baby girl's bassinet. Right there, right there. All right, it's gonna be right here beside me. Finish cleaning the kitchen. There goes my phone ringing. Amazon, more delivery, my baby girl, and I have no idea what this is. I don't know if it's something that we ordered or it's something that you guys ordered, but let's see. If it's something that you guys ordered, then you guys will see it now. You'll see it in the unboxing. But if it's something that we ordered, then you guys will get to see what it is. Oh, what is this? Action figure. What is this? Oh my gosh! I know what it is. It's not even for baby girl. Sorry. It's actually not for baby girl. It is for Tyler. Oh. This is for Tyler. And I'm gonna hide it until I get back from work later. Auntie P sent this for Ty. Priscilla sent a bunch of things for baby girl. When I say she sent so many things for baby girl, she sent a lot of things for baby girl. And some came already and some didn't come as yet. And when she finished ordering all the things she wanted to order for baby girl, she said that no, I need to order something for Ty. So she asked Tyler what he wants, and this was one of his requests. It's I'll let Tyler tell you what it is, and you guys will see his reaction and everything. So I'm gonna hide this box. I wasn't even expecting it. I'm gonna hide this box and let Tyler unbox it later. So it's a toy for Ty. He's gonna be so excited when he come home later. So I was wrong. It's not for baby girl, but it's for my other big baby, okay? Thanks, Auntie P. Tyler's gonna love this. Here I am was wondering what am I gonna make for lunch. After I finished ironing, I went and set laundry and I cleaned this house. I didn't have to do any deep cleaning because it didn't want any deep clean. But I just make it fresh. It's Friday, so you don't know. Make it fresh, and everywhere is now fresh and clean from top to bottom. So I feel content. And I was talking to my friend Rose, and she said she made cabbage. And now she made me want cabbage. So I'm gonna steam some cabbage. Probably throw some corned beef in it. And that's going to be for lunch and dinner. So I can have some for lunch. I'm gonna have late lunch today because it's 1 o'clock. And I have a few green bananas. I have a few green bananas, so I'm going to cook those green bananas right now too, so I can have lunch. And I have some rice in the fridge, so rice can go for dinner for the boys. And also have meat in the fridge, so who don't want the cabbage and who don't want the cabbage gets meat, though it's Friday. Work at this restaurant downtown Kingston. My very first job as an assistant cook. I used to prep bananas for breakfast because I used to cook breakfast for the restaurant in the mornings, and I used to peel like 2-3 bunch of banana within no time because we have to prep them from the night before and let them stay in water for the next day to cook. And man, when you see me peeling bananas, my finger would hurt me when I'm finished because I used to peel them fast. And I used to finish peeling in no time. Lunch is finishing up. Let's open these packages to see what's good in them. Okay, this one is for baby girl from the registry, so I won't show you guys until the unboxing. And this one, can't wait to show you guys the unboxing. Ooh, alright, it's a box inside a box. Alright, okay, I think this is also for Tyler. Yep. This is definitely for Thai. I can hear it. Oh my gosh, yes, this is definitely for Tyler. So you guys have to stay tuned for the rest of today's vlog to see when Tyler gets home and unboxing his both gifts that he received today. I couldn't resist not adding the corned beef to the cabbage. So I'm about to add the corned beef to the cabbage right now because it's almost finished cooking. Let me take out this time. I couldn't resist not adding the corned beef to this cabbage, I swear. Ah! You guys seen that? Look at that. Look how delicious it looks. It looks so good. I'm gonna add a little black pepper in there just to give it an extra kick. Because I didn't add too much scotch bonnet because I'm sure the boy's gonna have some. Oh well. Sorry guys if it's too pepper. But oh my god, it's so funny. This kick out, you know. That's what my Jamaicans would say. Kick out, slap way. Simple mean it's good. I love my people. Yes, glory. Hey, hey. Baby D happy, you know. She be smiling. My neighbor must wonder if I'm crazy. All right, there you go. Lunch is ready. And we are gonna grab. You guys, I went to work and got back home. It's light. See if I can hide it with my head. Babe, say hi to the face.
Hi guys.
You didn't vlog today, right?
I just switched home.
No, I mean this morning.
No.
Okay.
I
And
went to
Minnie.
You know, I went
My
to
doctor
I
or
called
yours?
doctor to get for me.
For the car?
I didn't feel good. I think it's like allergy.
Yeah. You want to close your eyes? I tell Tyler that 2 gifts is here for him and he's excited about it. So, Ty.
Yes.
These gifts come from Auntie Priscilla, okay?
Okay.
So, you're gonna look in the camera and say thank you, Auntie P. Look. Say thank you, Auntie P.
Thank you, Auntie P.
Alright, you have to close your eyes, Mama. I'm gonna go for it and come back, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
As soon come, close your eyes.
Family's here.
Okay.
Family's here.
Close your eyes. Which one you want to open first? The big one or the little one?
No, family's here.
Close your eyes.
Family's here. No, tu triches.
Look. Which one you want to open first? The little one? Go sit here so you can open it.
What is that?
What is that?
Lego.
Is Lego? Oh, you shush.
Lego.
What kind of Lego?
Fire.
Fire truck Lego?
Yeah.
That's the Lego you wanted? Yeah.
And the police too.
And the police, I'm not sure if it's police, but I don't know.
The big one.
Let me help you.
What?
What is that?
Another ultimate fire truck. Another ultimate fire truck.
This one is huge.
It's
Chico.
No.
But that's okay. You happy? Yeah. So thank you, Auntie Priscilla. You guys, we just got back from the supermarket. And the grocery haul king is about to do the grocery haul.
I'm tired of this walk with the bag.
Alright, babe, show them what we got today at the supermarket.
You show them, still the same thing.
What is the same thing? What is that?
The spoon juice, the spoon that just...
Times 2 this time.
Yeah, it's more than one. That's just telling you that it's getting worse. Just by looking what is there, I can tell you who you are and what you have.
Alright, I see you, babe.
Bed fell, I don't know if she felt guilty for anything, but today she wanted to get a lot of vegetables.
Because I haven't been eating any.
Vegetables and fruits recently, so
because baby girl don't want it, but now I'm gonna try. I'm putting out an effort.
Okay, so she got
cabbage,
tomatoes, mushroom.
It's not for me. That's for you. No. That's for you. That's definitely for you, not for me.
Celery, how you call that in English?
Celery.
Celery too?
Yes.
Okay. We got celery, we got banana, we got cucumber.
Show them. You're not showing them. You're just telling.
Banana is cucumbers. Well, she felt guilty for something.
Because I want to try start making my green juice.
Juice for Tyler. Only one juice for me.
I wonder why. Why this time only one?
One juice for me. I felt guilty.
You
Tyler compote. That's what Tyler get for
school.
For school every morning. That's what they want at school. They don't want to give him like a biscuit or anything. They want something. Biscuits. They want something kind of healthy. So yeah, she got we have to give him like a compote. So that's what we got every day at school for
and he love it.
Morning break.
Compote in French is like pure fruit, you guys.
We got everything in two today. Tyler is chocolate milk. That's what he got before to go to bed. Some pasta.
Tyler love pasta. So.
Okay. I believe that was for you, like vegetables, tomatoes, and spinach pasta.
Yeah.
I really think you have something to.
That's the best pasta, no?
You feel guilty.
No, I don't feel guilty.
Quinoa.
Yes.
You get quinoa.
I feel guilty.
And quinoa that is
healthy.
Yeah, I don't know if you feel guilty because on the side you got croissant and brioche. Babe wanted something sweet, so she got this. Let's see how it is. I'm sure she's gonna eat one piece and not gonna finish and ask me to finish the rest. That's how she is. We got everything in double today. We got cookie. Let me give you a joke. Every time babe she take 3 pack. She always tell me because in Jamaica when you get 3 you get discount.
It's true, it's cheaper when you buy it in 3.
So in France you don't get discount but she still continue to get back.
It's a habit.
Well, we got 2 but I have to take out
It's
one.
a habit.
So yeah, we got rice. Oh, she also wanted to buy because she always cook and burn the food. She act like she's a good
What?
cook.
What do you mean I always cook and burn the
You
food?
act like you're a good chef, but when it's about rice or quinoa, quinoa, you always burn. So she got a rice cooker.
Yep. What you were telling them about the rice cooker because I was talking.
Yeah. So you got this because you feel guilty to always burn the
So today it's all about me feeling guilty.
Oh yeah, I can see the feeling of the day when I look at your supermarket bag. She got this. She's gonna say it's for me or it's for Tyler, but it's for you.
And who is gonna eat the most
It's
out
for
of it?
you. I never
Who's
asked.
gonna eat the most?
You.
Tyler?
You.
Ty?
And
Who eat the most? Emane, me, you, or Papa?
Me.
All
I
right.
always say that the truth was coming out of the mouth of the kid. So I was like,
Because you know it's
Tyler,
true.
tell the truth. Tell the
Because Tyler
truth.
always speaks the
No.
truth.
So she felt guilty just by looking at everything. We can see today that she have something like. Tell me, you have something to share?
Maybe I'll share it later.
I share it later. I share it now.
I can share it on camera.
That's not what I'm talking about.
Well, that's what I'm talking about. Anyway, you guys, there you go with the grocery haul for today.
And I'm hungry now.
Me too, so we're gonna hunt food.